Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol, so let's get started. To draw this cute bulldog puppy, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another circle, so I'll say about right here. Not too far apart. Draw another big circle. And now that we have that in, let's come inside and we're going to draw another circle right in here. So the bottoms are touching right here for the two circles, and same thing over here. And now that we have that in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'll add two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have that in, let's come to the top. Well, you know what? Actually, let's draw the bottom part first. Sorry. Let's come over here and we're going to draw the nose, right? So right in between the eyes, let's come about right here. I'm going to draw a soft curve right in between and round off the corner and then connect in the center. I'll come in here with a highlight, so just put in a little oval right here and shade everything else in. From there, let's bring a straight line down right in the center. Say about that much. And then I'm going to basically draw a curve going across for a big smile. There. And then let's cap it off a little bit right here on the ends. And then come back right here and draw two little teeth. 1 and 2. Now to frame the nose area, we're going to bring in a big curve that goes all the way around. So it's right over this nose. I'm going to draw a curve that kind of hits the eye, right over the nose, and right back down. And before I forget, you can come in here and just draw the 3 little dots if you like. So cute, right? Okay, so then now we can finally go and draw the brow. So right about the eye, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to thicken up this curve and shade it in. So same thing on the other side. About right here, right over the eye, and shade it in. Then from there, let's see here. From there, let's come to the eye, where the eye is right here, the top of your eye. Come out, and say about this much. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to start to frame the face. So let's bring this, we're going to bring a slight curve down, and I'll end about right there. A little bit, maybe past half of the eye, about right here. And then I'm going to curve out. So it's the same thing. So bring this curve down to about right here where the eye is, and then curve out for the cheeks. And then I'm going to bring this all the way. Well, actually, you know what? We have to draw the bottom chin area, right? So let's imagine this was coming through, skip some space, and about right here. I'll give myself a point, so about right here. And I'm going to draw this big curve about right there. So just imagine this is coming through. So about right there, I'm going to basically just connect it for his chin. There. And then we can go ahead and connect this curve back to about right here. So I give myself 2 points so I know where I'm going. And curve and connect. So same thing over here. And connect. There. So we have that framed in. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more. And then now we can finally go up a little bit more. So let's pass his brow. So pass his brow. And a tiny bit more. Go higher a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that curve in, we're pretty even. I'm going to go across on both sides. And then in here, I'm going to stop because I need to draw the hat. So I'm just going to come out with a curve and bring it right across and back up for the rim of our hat, and then connect it at the top. Or you could have connected at the top first with a curve if that's easier. There, so I have the rim of my hat, and then I'm going to go up now. So I'm going to come out and curve up, and same thing on the other side. It's easier for my hand to come down, so I go this way and in, and let's bring this up. So about right here, I'm going to go in, do a little dent right up here and go up for his hard hat. So just creating this shape, and about right here I'll come back down and connect back. So you just want to create this little hump right here at the top. From there we're going to take this point and bring it down at an angle, and same thing here. Now that we have the hat in, I'm going to quickly come in here and draw the logo for Paw Patrol. There's this big curve right in the center. Bring it down, 2 curves, and we're going to connect in the center. So I'm just going to give myself a point so it's a little bit easier to see. Oops. And connect right in the center. And let's give this a little border. So I'm just going to follow my outside. And then the logo. So I'm going to come about right here and draw kind of like this oval shape, and then 3 ovals. There. Now we can finally draw the ears. So let's come to the side right here where the hat is, and I'm going to come out, flop down these ears and curve right back up. And then for some details, let's come right in here and just follow the and go up. So it's thicker over here and thinner over here. So same thing on the other side. About right here, I'm going to go up and then come down. I'm just going to drag a point across just to make sure I'm about the same size, and then bring it right back up. And once again, let's go ahead and add the details inside. There. And then there's some more details on the face. So I'm going to come right here and just draw this curve that comes right through to the eye. And same thing over here. There. And then let's see, there's one more here. So we're going to curve about right here where this little, when you dipped in, and we're going to go right underneath the eye to connect. So same thing here. Right back up to that point. There. Okay, so now we're finally done with the head. Let's draw the body. So nice and thick. So maybe kind of look where the edge of your eye is. Come out and connect right under the chin. Now come in the center, about right here. Give it a little line. And then I'm going to come out, pop this part out. So we're drawing a bulldog, so they're very short and compact, right? So let's keep that in mind as we draw this. And let's see here, I'm going to come about, bring this down, we're gonna bend the hands in. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points, nice and thick. From there, I'm going to bring this down and curve out. And curve out. Then from there, I'm just remembering I have the center I don't want to pass. I'm going to come about right here and curve in. So same thing over here and curve in to create that shape. And then now we can go ahead and connect. So following this curve, come out and about right there, connect. And for some details, just come right here where this part curves in and draw 2 curves for some details. So same thing on this side. So bulldogs have that bent arm. So that's what we're trying to create here with this big curve. And once again, across and curves. Then from there, let's see here. Let's come to the back, and they're very short, right? So say about right here, we're just gonna pop out a little curve that comes in, and I'm gonna bring it about right here and connect, and 2 curves. So same thing right across. Go right there, bring it in towards this area right here, and the back. There. Then in between right here, whatever space you have left, about right here, I'm going to create a curve. And since I'm down here, I'm going to add a curve this way for his shirt that he's wearing. And so then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect this with a curve. So I'm going to drag this point across and do the same thing. From there, let's add in all the details in this area. So I'm going to start with a badge. So about right here, I'm going to curve out and out. Find my center. So say about right here. And connect. And once again, just like the top, I'm going to frame this. Give it a border. So thicken it up, and then inside for the logo, for the badge for bulldog here is basically a wrench. So I'll start about right here, right in the center, curve down, and same thing here, curve and then down. And in between, we're going to draw that the nut right here. So if you don't want to make it too complicated, you can just put in a circle, but I'm going to try right here to create that 2 angles at the top and 2 at the bottom. There. And bring this down right there. And one final little detail, I'll just add another curve right here. And same thing over here. Oops. There. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Rubble the bulldog here turned out from Paw Patrol, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.